Hey everyone, today I am going to be opening an iPhone 14 Pro in China. Yeah, so let's see if there's any difference between getting an iPhone 14 in the US or in China. Um, Without further ado, let me go ahead and open. This is like some kind of, the safety thing. Once it's open, it's no longer valid, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so we're gonna open this now. Oops. Yeah. Okay, I think I got that. Let's see. Ooh, it's not coming out so easy. It's being difficult. Let me see. All right, so yeah, I'm on the website. It says there's no difference, and I'm guessing there's no difference. Um, Maybe the box is harder to. Oh, I'm such a dummy. So you need, okay, instructions. Here we go. So basically, you have to tear this thing off. No wonder. Oh my god. Oh, there's one on the bottom. Yeah, this isn't my first iPhone. This is like my 6th, 7th. And there we go. The unboxing. Purple. This year's color, purple. It's very nice. My last iPhone was 11 Pro. So at that time it was green. See? Oh yeah. Okay, very light. I like it. Quite nice, as you can see. And what else is in the box? Let's put that down for a second. Oh. And then designed by Apple in California. They can't even say made anymore, because if they said made, it would be like made by Apple in China, right? That's where all the iPhones are being made. Although I think they said that they announced that this year they're going to be moving their MacBook production down to Vietnam. Look at, so this is the little tool they give you so you can open the side. Oh, here it is, to put your SIM card. See that little hole? And then you stick that in. But yeah, okay, let's go. Oh yeah, so here's the charger. You know what really sucks now is that you have to buy the plug-in. It's so stupid. What a ripoff. I don't know why they do that. It's just like, can you be more greedy? You know, like give me a freaking charger with my phone. It's so ridiculous. You know, what if I get the phone but then I can't get access to the charger? Anyways, what can you do? What can you do? These conglomerates. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. So turn it on, hold the side, and then you should see the little Apple sign. There we go. Yep, let's see what happens next. Brush it off a little bit. Yeah, in the comments below, tell me, do you guys, if you have an iPhone, do you put a case on or do you not use a case? That is the question. Let me put that down for a second. So yeah, that's like a debate. You know, some people want to put it on the case and some people don't. So, I guess it's up to you, you know? What are you gonna do? What if it drops? Are you gonna cry? Or are you gonna just go buy a new iPhone? So I guess it comes down to money, right? So this is the case I got. I like this little kind of grayish color. And then this is like a Apple, the charger part, the thing. What are these called? Please, on the comments below, go ahead and write. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Just to help me out. I mean, I promise I won't show up on your feed. Oh, so yeah, this is what I mean. So now you have to go buy this stupid thing. It's like 20 bucks. Yeah, this should be free. I don't know if there should be a boycott of Apple until they start putting these chargers back in. They really got us by the balls, I tell you. Okay, so let's get back to this. Let me put it in the case for now, just to show you guys how it looks. Actually, this color matches quite well. I like it. I like it. What do you guys think? Go ahead and write in the comments what you think about this color and this charger. Do they match? I think they match quite nice. So English, and then we're gonna put China. And yeah, so far it seems like there is no difference. It seems like exactly like what I got in the US, except that I don't have to deal with all the like Verizon and T-Mobile and all their crappy deals and taxes. Oh, okay, that's right. So let me see. This phone I purchased for 9,200 RMB. I got it with a discount because of some special auction or something like online. And 9,200 RMB. I'm gonna have to calculate that. I think I don't know what the exchange rate is now, but it's like around 7,000 RMB is 1,000 US, or maybe 6,500. It changes. Okay, so where is China under C? There we go, there we go. Hey, there is no China. See, there's Chile here, but there is no China. Is there? What the heck's going on? Oh, duh. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, set up manually. Yep. You know what? I think I'm gonna just stop it here because I don't think you guys really care about this, or maybe you do. Yeah. I don't know the password right now. All right, guys. So this is the iPhone 14 Pro unboxing in China, and it's basically the same phone. I don't see any difference. This is the case, and let me take it off real fast just to show you. This phone is beautiful, actually. I really like it, especially with the purple. I got the last phone I had was the 11 Pro, so that was a few years ago now, and that was green, and which was cool. It's also quite nice, but this purple is really cool, man. I gotta say, and it's definitely more clear. But I could do like another video about like some of the features, like the differences maybe. But yeah, cool. I hope that helps. And if you have any comments, go ahead and write below. Suggestions. If you hate my videos, please let me know. All right, iPhone 14 Pro, guys, in China. Same thing as the US. Don't be afraid.